or west?
Today our last class, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we should share our opinion about Hexas Zindabazar. Okay. So you should, right?
Yes.
Okay. So who share about Hexas Zindabazar? Shushmita ma'am. Okay. You can say anything about Hexas Zindabazar.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sushma Chakraborty, and I am from batch now 8-2542. I have recently completed my SSC from Government Academy Girls High School, and I have got the Best Performer Award chosen from this batch. I would like to say that Hexas is one of the best institution in Sylhet, and you all should participate here.
Good afternoon. This is Asha Jannat. I am from Panchugon, Sylhet. I want to say Hexas Zindabazar is the best institution I have ever seen. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Siddiqur Rahman. I am from Sylhet Go Pilot High School. My best number is HEXA'S. Recently I completed my SSC exam and I am a student of Hexas Zindabazar. I think Hexas Zindabazar is the best.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Merabasan Rafi. I am a student of Hexas Zindabazar. Recently I completed SSC exam. I think Hexas is the best.
Good afternoon. This is Tawfiq Alai Hasib. Recently, I have completed my SSC exam from Japan Bangladesh Friendship High School. I want from Bangladesh Sylhet. Hexas is always best.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ruman. I am a student. Recently, I took my SSC exam from Alamin Jamia Islamia High School. I think that Hexas Zindabazar is one of the best institution in the Bangladesh.
Good afternoon. My name is Radi. I am a student. Recently, I completed my SSC exam in Horjat Asha Siddiqa High School. Hexas Zindabazar is the best. We should join Hexas Zindabazar.
My name is Sadatani Shamin, and recently I completed SSC examination from Saidpur Pilot High School, and my batch number is HEXA'S 2542. I want to say that Hexas Zindabazar is the best, and you all should participate.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibadul Haq Jangir. Recently completed my SSC exam from Shirbajar Shodar Sylhet High School, and I think Hexas Zindabazar is best.
I'm Mehja bin Jannat. My batch number is HEXA'S 2542. Recently, I completed my SSC examination, and after completing my SSC examination, I admit myself in Hexas Zindabazar, and I always prefer this because this is the best institute for English in Sylhet, and I think all over the Bangladesh. And in this batch, we all should participate in debate competition because it is the most interesting part of spoken course. I think everyone should join this.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jivar's mother Ovian. I recently completed my SSC examination from Bluebird High School and College. It's a great platform, and I also share my opinion from his cause. When I joined Hexas, I think it's not good, but when sometimes some time going, I think it's the best platform I have ever seen because it's environment and most of Sir is Sir Mahfuz sir. He's so friendly, and I say that it's the best platform in Sylhet, and we all should join Hexas Zindabazar. Thank you.
East or west? East or west? East or west?